Hi, welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online on Google, on Facebook, on Twitter. Well, this show I've been doing is a show to the this Jack TV show. This show is to talking about Haiti. Haiti is a country that I want to talk about it because the reason why because Haiti is in a position where the country is in a tough position. How can we change that? How can we get out of that position? How can we dip ourselves, say to that hole? Because we in deep hole right now. The people of Haiti, they're in the position where they need to get themselves in a better position. Right now, we can do it. How can we do it? I'm sure Michel Martelly is invested in education. I mean, he's doing a good job so far with the education system because he want to get the education, the key, the priority of Haitian, to get the education, which is the priority. The education could be the priority where we can move forward. That's the only way that we think we can have a better future. If we deep into the education, because if we educate ourselves, that's we can make ourselves in a better position. Haiti is a very good country. It's a country where it's very it's not polluted with big time. The atmosphere is very good. We have a beautiful weather, tropical weather. If the country is clean, if we clean, have beautiful houses, beautiful roads, we can live in a paradise, like a paradise. The country is in that standard to be that. But the fact that in order for us to do that, the Asian people they have to see themselves the first. How can they dip themselves out of that hole? In the poverty. When you say when people call you so poor because they tell you poor and mild because the mind is a great thing. Don't say that you can unreach. You could reach it with knowledge, and then you could take yourself out of poverty. It's the knowledge you could make things happen in a better way. Haiti could be that kind of places. We could create Haiti where we can make Haiti a better place to live for the people to live. We can build water, say water resistance, water, we can electricity, roads, school. But the education is the key to get the people out of poverty right now. We need to focus on education. Is the key, is the priority. So Bishop Mattel is doing a good job, say by taking $1.50 from the diaspora, and that $1.50 he says he's not gonna do anywhere else. It's gonna go straight to education. And that's how I think, say where we can make things happen. If we realize, say we can make this thing happen with education. That's the best thing to do. So Haiti could make things. We could make things happen. We could have a beautiful country. I believe so because I have a lot of dream about Haiti. That's the reason why I take this TV station very seriously, where I talk about Haiti most likely. Where I can so in order for us to have a better future, and we can make this thing happen. So stay tuned on Jack TV. I have more stuff to come. Stay tuned. One of the best. Thank you for watching Jack TV.